Phew, that is raining. Anyways, what's up, guys? It's Justin again, and this is going to be another and simple ass vlog. So if you guys continue watching this, because we are on our way to Green Hills. See you there. So we're here in Green Hills and malangka lang kami dito. So yeah. Wait. Say hi. Alright. Yo, Raymond. What's up, man? So right now we're just roaming around and doing the stuff we want, and I think we're going to time zone later on, so yes. Alright guys, just watch lang and enjoy. Yo, I gotta say, this place is quite empty, not gonna lie. And oh yeah, we're just gonna go here. I wonder how people collect these for. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, Brian, what did you get? From the one you got from a while ago. He got the robot from that one anime of the Minecraft and that in Freeze Break. I don't know all of these animes. And Ray, what did you get?
I got an onigiri.
Not good. Like that's what I think of first. An onigiri with limbs, bro. But man, alright. I guess you guys got what you want. Alright, apparently we're waiting for one friend of ours who's having a hard time getting here, so we're just continuously roaming around and let's just see more what this mall has in store. Alright, actually, to tell you guys, here in Green Hills, there's already Pizza Planet. Yeah, you guys know that Toy Story movie, Pizza Planet, but actually never tried here, but then look at that place. Hold up. Pizza Planet. Man, I want to eat there someday, not gonna lie. And I can tell Pizza Planet seems like an expensive place to go, but I just really wish I could eat there someday, try the pizzas, also the chickens, whatever the food they make. Okay, so now we're here at Time Zone Green Hills. It's quite big, yeah, it's quite big. And let's see what's inside. It's so loud, I hope you guys can hear my voice. Okay, so we're gonna go play. Alright, let's do this.
Meanwhile.
Hey yo, round 2. What the? What? Oh shit! Yo! Medyo kumama sa sensor.
Natalo tayo, Brian. You have perfect sword.
That's not a legal mark. Nice shot. Nice. Golden throw. Round 2.
Ah, darn it. Hey, let's go. Look at them tickets.
Meanwhile.
Oh, look, Brian won a camel from the crane game. Yo, no way. Look at that.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we decided to leave Time Zone for a while, and you just have to roam around here in Green Hills to see what other stuff that we can see here. Yo, look at these Funko Pops. A lot of them, and actually I don't really collect these stuff, but not gonna lie, they look good. Hey yo, look at this. The dragon origami. Is it really? Is it made? Is it made? Ah, okay. Akala ko it's made by real origami, but looks like it. Wait. Is it closer? This. Yeah. Looks like origami. So yeah. Pretty good. Not gonna lie.
Meanwhile,
Okay, so we found more stores with Funko Pops and wait, what? Where?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Where is it? Like, oh, that. Damn. But damn, look at this Spider-Man chocolate and black Spider-Man. Okay, so I just saw this Hannah Montana Funko Pop and my gosh, look at this, bro. Yo, like I didn't expect that they'd make one of these as well, but which is yeah, kind of pretty cool as well. Gosh damn. As of now, we have. I feel like we have gone to everywhere, and we decided to just keep looking around to to take our boredom away. So, okay, we're here at the tech store, but damn, look at his keyboards. Yo, look at this. So cool. Look at this mic. Yeah, no, the keyboard looks great and all. Look at this mouse. Yeah, hold on. Damn, look at that mouse. Damn. The Republic of Gamers, man, it's cool. Look at this PS5 controllers. It's just really different from the PS4. Actually, I don't really have a PS5, but it's just. But this one seems, yeah, more high-tech and advanced, And not gonna lie, this is quite cool.
meanwhile,
Anyways, here's our friend that we've been waiting for. Hi. Yo, what's
I'm
up?
Spicy's boyfriend.
Yo! Okay, so now we're here at the other building of Green Hills, and I'm not sure where we're going next, but we'll just see it for ourselves, that's all. Yeah, okay, so we decided to go back to the time zone, and I don't know, we couldn't find
Spicy corn tune,
a ram stick. So best thing we can do is back time zone. Okay, so we're just heading off to time zone, and yeah, we're just gonna play a bit games. And okay, so now we're here at time zone and we're playing billiards. So go Ralph. Oh, alright. Anyways, we're gonna have fun. So we're now playing bowling. So yeah, let's have some fun, y'all. Alright, so far we're having fun time here, and so far we're just playing bowling, and yeah, laro lang kami guys. So yan, strike o hindi? Oh man, strike o hindi? Strike o hindi? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're just gonna keep playing until we finish the game.
a few minutes later.
Okay, so that was fun, and yeah, we're gonna eat now guys. So alright, we're about to eat. 3, 2, 1. Here lang. Let's finish. Hi guys, so we're actually done roaming around. We're now going back inside the car, and we're gonna call it a night. So hey guys, so I'm finally home, and thanks to my friend who brought me here. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and hope you guys are doing great today, and yeah, and yes, so I'll see you guys in the next videos. Goodbye.